I see an interesting market situation on Volatility 50 index. So here in today's video, we'll be having a market analysis on the Volatility 50 index price action basically, and we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame in order to get our good entry point on this trade opportunity. I saw you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a higher time frame, and it's very much advisable to start from a higher time frame when you want to analyze the market, when you want to look out for trade opportunities, so you can see the bigger view of the market, so you can see the market structure clearly. So coming to the weekly time frame, because it's one of those higher time frames we have the monthly time frame as well. Okay, let's start from the monthly time frame analyzing this index. So on the monthly time frame of V50 index, you can see that we got a clear market direction. We have two market directions basically. The first one is markets being on a downtrend, and the second one is markets being in an uptrend. So this market structure, this market direction is giving this market a triangular formation, just like a pennant waiting for a breakout, either to the upside, a breakout to the upside, or a breakout to the downside. So this is how the market structure looks on the monthly time frame. So what do we expect of this index basically? We have this level as our change resistance, this point as our change resistance on the monthly time frame, because we can see that whenever price gets to this level, it sells from it. Whenever price gets to this level, it sells from it. The same thing at this point, price buys on a test of our trend support, the buys as a support, the buys here as a support as well. So now we've identified these two market directions. The next thing we do is to spot our levels and zones, our key levels basically, our important levels on this index. So we have one of those levels at this zone, and we have the next level possibly at this point. I pay attention to these market levels and zones because they are market zones on which we can expect possible market reactions on. So you can see how price bought from as a support, a support, a support. You can see this market reaction clearly on the weekly time frame, how price bought on this level as a support. You can see the market is approaching this identified level of support. So we expect something simple, which is price to do what? Sell more to the downside to come test our level of support as well as our trend support, which we identified at this zone, this trend support, right? So if price can give the sales to this level, to this identified zone, they are likely to see price buy up from this level on V50 index. So this means that the sales is still expected on V50 index in the coming days and weeks, because we got our key level identified at this point, which is lower, which means that market is going to sell more to this point before we can get any reversal on this index. I can also see the market is coming from this resistance level, our trend resistance level, and our horizontal resistance level. That's where price is selling from. So on the daily time frame, what do we expect of this index? I basically expect one simple market move, which is market selling further to the downside, because you can see that there was a level here which was a level of resistance. We got price sell from here as a resistance, before there was a break, retest, support, price to the upside. Now on price selling to the downside, price failed to buy from this level as a broken level of resistance, turned support, but instead price broke below this level. Now we're getting the sales to the downside, right? So we're getting price sell to the downside. So the sell move is expected basically to this zone on V50 index. This is a long-term trade setup. You can take advantage of this trade opportunity. You can swing this wonderful sell opportunity on the Volatility 50 index. And we also have this trend which price has broken out of. This is an uptrend basically, and we can see that there is a break of trend at this zone. We've seen how price has bought on this level as support, trend support. Let's extend this thing properly. This trend support, price buying from as a trend support. Now the sellers still came to push the market to the downside, and we're getting the sell move basically. So the market structure and market formation on the daily time frame is looking very bearish. So I expect price to sell more in the coming days and hours on this index. So how do we look out for our trade opportunity? How do we take advantage of this wonderful sell opportunity on the Volatility 50 index? On this 4 time frame, we are getting the bearish structure already, but you can see it clearly on the 1 hour time frame that price is already creating this lower highs formation here. These two lower highs formation price is creating at this point, right? So I expect price to give a retest of this zone basically, this point. I'm expecting price to come give a retest of this level. Let me differentiate this thing, let me fill it up properties, fill it up and make it orange. Right, so if price can give a retest of this zone, I'm expecting something of this kind, a move to the upside, a little move to the upside to come retest this zone, then the sells is expected. That's what I'm looking at for my sell opportunity on this index, because we've seen the market structure already and we got this level as a zone which we got price react on multiple times as a resistance and as a support. So if price can give a little move to the upside to come retest this zone on the 1 hour time frame, then I'll be shorting this index from this point, this orange zone. So that is, guys, that's my view and market analysis on the Volatility 50 index price action. Basically, I'm looking out for my sell opportunities at this point. Right, my sell opportunities at this zone, a little retest of this level, then I'll be shorting this index. And to confirm this, our sell zone, we bring up our Fibonacci 2 from the swing, matching our swing highs and swing lows. So we're matching this level from the swing highs to the swing lows, and we can see that this identified zone is matching up with the 50.0 level and the 61.8 level as well. So that is, guys, that's my sell opportunity and sell setup on V50 index. A little retest on the 1 hour time frame or the 50-minute time frame level at this point. We identified that level on the 1 hour time frame, right? So a little retest of this zone, this level, let's mark it up, this the 213.9547 level, retest of this level, then I'll be shorting this index, waiting for confirmations at this point to take my sells if price can get to this zone. That's my analysis and view on this index. Do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment for more market analysis like this, and you can as well recommend the next index you would want me to analyze. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.